Moving your video content to a new professional streaming platform may seem complicated, but with the right approach, you can switch without downtime or disruption. Whether you're coming from Vimeo, Brightcove, or another provider, Dacast makes it simple to migrate your video library, live channels, and audience experiences. Why migrate to Dacast? Organizations migrate to Dacast for reliability, professional features, scalability, and cost efficiency. From monetization options to global CDN delivery, Dacast is built for seamless growth. Step 1. Plan your migration. Before you start, define what you need to move: VOD library, live streams, metadata, and monetization options. Tip: create a spreadsheet of your video inventory and subscriber data to track your migration. Step 2. Prepare your files. Download the highest quality versions of your videos and organize them into folders. Check file names and video specs. MP4 with H.264 video and AAC audio works best for Dacast. Step 3. Set up your Dacast account. Log into your Dacast account and navigate to video, VODs, or live channels. Create categories and folders to match your existing structure. Setting up categories first keeps your library organized. Step 4. Upload your video files. Dacast offers multiple upload options: drag and drop via web, bulk upload from cloud storage, or API-based migration for enterprises. Upload in smaller batches to avoid interruptions. Step 5. Encoder setup for live streaming. If you're migrating live streams, setting up your encoder correctly is crucial. Dacast provides RTMP URLs and stream keys for easy integration. Configure your encoder with recommended settings for smooth, buffer-free streaming. Step 6. Configure video settings. Configure title, description, thumbnails, captions, privacy, and monetization settings. Use bulk editing for efficiency. Step 7. Redirect or update embeds. Replace old embed codes with Dacast HTML5 player codes on your website or LMS. Test on multiple devices and consider domain whitelisting. Step 8. Test, monitor, and optimize. Before completing your migration, test your setup to make sure everything works as expected. Play back your migrated videos, test your live streams, verify your monetization settings, and confirm that analytics are tracking properly. If you have a large library, start with a small pilot migration before moving everything over. Once your content is live on Dacast, continue to monitor performance. Review your analytics to identify top-performing content, track bandwidth consumption, and optimize your encoding and bit rates for the best audience experience. Dacast supports adaptive bitrate streaming to deliver smooth playback across all devices. To wrap up, here are a few best practices to help ensure your migration goes as smoothly as possible. Migrate priority content first, keep backups, communicate the transition, and leverage Dacast support if needed. With planning, migrating is smooth and opens up the full power of Dacast.